3 mistakes that might seem harmless but can actually shorten your fridge's lifespan and increase your electricity bill. Number 3. For example, if you finish cooking and almost immediately put the food in the fridge, that's a bad idea. When you put very hot food inside, the temperature in the refrigerator suddenly rises, and the compressor has to work overtime to cool everything down again. Furthermore, and perhaps even more importantly, the intense heat can also significantly impact the quality of the food around it, gradually raising their internal temperature to a level where dangerous bacteria can thrive and multiply rapidly. Number 2, after grocery shopping, it's normal to want to fit everything in, but that's a bad idea, since cold air needs to circulate to cool everything evenly. Whenever the refrigerator shelves are completely packed to the brim or the air vents get accidentally blocked, the internal air stops moving around properly. This causes uneven cold spots to appear throughout the unit, and as a result, the motor has to work much harder than usual to keep the overall temperature down. The solution is to leave a little space between the food items so the air can circulate freely and everything stays cold more efficiently. Number 1. What I'm about to tell you is something we've all done, and that's opening the fridge and standing there for several seconds staring as if food is going to magically appear. The problem is that every second the door is open, cold air escapes, and the refrigerator has to work harder to get the temperature back down. And watch out for another detail that many people forget: the door seals or gaskets. If they're dirty, worn out, or broken, cold air constantly escapes without you even noticing. Ideally, you should decide what you're going to take out before opening the door, and clean the seals from time to time to make sure they feel properly. It is a seemingly minor and insignificant detail, but it can make a remarkably substantial difference in the long run.